Good morning. Today is October 30th, 2024. And so yesterday we had so we've been having a couple of inside days. Now, yesterday we had an outside day. And we had a spike at the beginning of the day that left some single prints. And then we did have a little bit of a trending day until the afternoon, and then we found balance and we left a P-shaped profile. Overnight we kept moving higher, and now we're pulling back after the economic releases, and we just tested which is sweep through value on ES. Now we're breaking below yesterday's value area low, and NQ had a double distribution with a little set of single prints that is just being tested right now. So the point of control for NQ, if I'm not mistaken, is down here at 604 ish, but for ES it was up here at 878 and a half. Now what we want to see if this spike from yesterday holds. If we start trading inside the spike, then this is more bearish. If now the spike holds and we hold, above this, I mean, we could clean the single prints and still we have this A period that it was, all the way to 58, 54. So I would say that that would be the line on the sand for me. If we start trading inside A period, we fill the singles, we start trading inside A, that will be more bearish, and we probably come back down and retest a 20 daily moving average at 58.50, and then see how traders treat that spike, and accepting inside the spike, then we could probably come down and test the lows at 58.35 ish. But if that spike holds, then we have probably more chop and more trading in this area, filling these areas of volume. One thing I forgot to mention is that if we get down here, we have this 58.42 area where we have very high delta absorption level. So that to me shows that a level that it's going to be not very easy to go through. That's a lot of absorption that happened at those levels. Look at that. That's like negative 22,000. Those are like the biggest levels other than here and up here. So anyway, point is that we're still, bigger picture, we're still in the same range. NQ did break the previous week's high. So it's been a reverse, right? Like before it was lagging, now it's leading. We have earnings, Microsoft, Google, so that, that is why we're seeing this change probably. NQ had that pending target at 860, which we haven't gotten to yet. But if we get back above the previous week's high, I'm going to be looking for a retest of the overnight highs and a move into that area. I don't know if today, but the next few days. Like I said, the last couple of days of October are usually pretty bullish. November is a very bullish month, so I'm not expecting too much of a continuation to the downside, although we have elections, so anything could happen. Crude. Crude oil. So crude oil finally retested that area that I said we could see a bounce. I did have an order resting at that level at 66.83, I think it was. we got a few points below it and moved back through the whole range and tested that low volume node and then rejected it now. So now we're coming back. We're gonna likely retest these highs. Actually, we did, and then bounce at the RTH high. So watch these levels right here, 68.20, between this couple of highs, the range of these 2 days, and this low volume node at 68.88. So if we get above 68.88 and hold above it, then I'm gonna be looking for a move higher back into the 20-day point of control. And if we get inside this range, then I'm gonna be looking for a move back to 67.80. Yeah, that's about it for crude. And then gold is making new highs. So yesterday it did broke about this area, which this area was the target that I had originally, and then broke above it, leaving some single prints here. You can see the push. So I mean, I'm kind of hesitant to do this again because we had such a big move. Like, look at this move. This is giant move. So but the rules are the rules, right? So we have a range from here to here, right? To this actually, hold on, let me just turn on the overnight sessions. Okay, so from this low to this high, if we extend that and double it, the target will put us at 28.26. As long as 72 holds, 28.26 is my next target to the upside. If we break back below the 72 area and hold below that area, then 27.54 is the 20-day point of control, so I'll be looking for a move down to that area. But that's where we're at now. All right, I think that's about it. We have earnings today. We have Meta, Starbucks, Microsoft, and we also have crude inventories today. So watch crude. And tomorrow we have PCE and jobless claims. So we could get another nice movie tomorrow. All right, that's about it. Good luck.